Okay, I hope I am audible. Can anyone confirm am I audible or not? I hope I'm audible, right? So we'll start today's session. So this is our last session um, for this course of Fundamentals of Welding Science and Technology. And what we will do in today's session, as our earlier sessions, we will discuss all those theoretical aspects. Regarding whatever have been covered in our earlier week, and parallelly we will do those question and answers, right? So in our last session, what we will cover gas metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, different types of welding defects and inspections, those aspects, right? So let us start straight away. um, uh, by the way, so my tab is again not working, so maybe I will try to use some paint or something like that where I can use some rough work like the way I do in tab. Uh, but anyhow, so I'll try to manage things. So we'll start from this gas metal arc welding, right? Um, what is there in gas metal arc welding? So uh, it also known in the terms of metal inert gas welding, right? So uh, let us have some. So let me take one paint option, and let's say how does it look like in terms of schematical setup of metal inert gas welding, or what do you have in a metal inert gas welding? So in metal inert gas welding process, your arc will be maintained between a consumable electrode, right? So my arc will be maintained between a consumable electrode and the workpiece, and it will be the for the other cases like happen in tungsten inert gas welding. Here also we use an inert gas atmosphere, right? And it'll have some kind of coiled electrode wire which will be fed by some kind of uh, dry rolls. As it will be melt away from those sheets, right? And except for aluminum, except for aluminum, for metal gas welding, for metal inert gas welding, people use this DC source, and we can use DC source with this consumable electrode as a positive terminals. Now, I will come later in terms of this DCEP and DCEN. Uh, anyhow, we have already covered that aspect of DC electrode positive, DC electrode negative, and when should we use what. Uh, those things have been covered in good bit of detail, right? Now, let us draw some schematic of this metal inert gas value. So what we have some, let's say this is how can we